everyone, welcome back to Remote Pilot 101. Today I want to share a powerful tip that can make a big difference when you take your FAA Remote Pilot Knowledge Test. A lot of people walk into the test room feeling nervous and unsure where to find the answers. But what if I told you one of your best resources is already sitting right in front of you? I'm talking about the FAA Test Supplement. Most test takers overlook it, but if you know how to use it, it can help you answer questions faster and with total confidence. If you want a structured way to master the test and build real confidence, Remote Pilot 101 walks you step by step through everything you need, from reading supplements to understanding airspace, so you're not just guessing on test day. I want to talk more about the testing supplement and how to use it to help ace the test. It's that additional booklet of legends and figures that the FAA has created for the knowledge test. That supplement isn't just a stack of figures and charts. It's the same kind of sectional chart information real pilots use to navigate, decode airspace, and understand frequencies. And all of it's fair game on the test. The FAA includes it because they want to see if you can use real-world resources to find correct answers, not just memorize trivia. Let's look at a question you might actually see. At Coeur d'Alene Airport, which frequency should be used as a common traffic advisory frequency to monitor airport traffic? This question tells us to refer to figure 22 to find the answer and gives us the three frequency choices. A, 122.05 MHz, B, 135.075 MHz, or C, 122.8 MHz. Naturally, you'd probably flip to figure 22 and start looking for Coeur d'Alene. But that is a good place to start. But maybe you look at the figure and just aren't sure of the answer. When you find the airport info, you'll notice a few different frequencies nearby. So, how do you know which one's the CTAF? That's where Legend 1 comes in. If you flip to the beginning of your supplement, you'll see that the legend clearly explains all of those chart symbols. Right there, it tells you that the CTAF is shown next to a letter C. Now, you know what to look for. Go back to figure 21. You'll see that same C with 122.8 printed near Coeur d'Alene. And that's your answer. The correct answer choice is C, 122.8 MHz. I even have another way the supplement can help with this question. Here's a little insider tip to further show you that the supplement is a gold mine of information. While the question says to use figure 22, figure 31 actually shows the chart supplement airport information for Coeur d'Alene. This figure literally has the communication section that spells out the CTAF is 122.8. This is a clear-cut answer, and using this figure might make things easier to use. Now here's the takeaway. You don't have to memorize every symbol or detail. The FAA gives you the resources to find the information. The key is knowing how to use them. That's what being a real-world drone pilot is all about, using references for efficiency, accuracy, and with confidence. So before test day, spend a little time with the supplement. Flip through the legends, symbols, and chart explanations. Make sure you know how to find what you need quickly. When a question like this comes up, you'll know exactly where to look instead of guessing. For a clear, step-by-step approach to mastering the test and building real confidence, Remote Pilot 101 guides you through everything, including decoding supplements to navigating airspace. So on test day, you'll know exactly where to look instead of guessing. Right now, with a purchase of a course, you get 30 days free trial of M0A's newest tier, Perks Pass. All the tools to help you train, but without the course. Still deciding? Head over m0a.com/trial to begin a 2-week free trial today. See you next time.